Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. In this problem, here two equations are given. That is summation from I equal to 1 to 9 for the term xi minus 5 thus equal to 9. And next summation whenever I equal to 1 to 9 for the term xi minus 5 whole square thus equal to 45. Now how can you find the standard deviation for the variables x1, x2, x3 so on up to x9? This is the problem. We know that the relation between standard deviation and variance, that is standard deviation thus be equal to root of variance. So if you know variance for the x1, x2 up to x9 terms, then we can easily find standard deviation. Now how can you find the variance? So we know that variance will be equal to mean square value minus square of mean value. So that can be written as mathematically summation of here x1 to x9 is there. So from I equal to 1 to 9 xi square mean square value minus summation of I equal to 1 to 9 mean means for x upon total terms is 9. Here also total terms 9 whole square. So this is mean square value and this is square of the mean value. So mean means sum of terms by number of terms. So for that square, mean square means apply square for each term then find the mean. That is called as mean square value. Now how can you find the summation of x and summation of x square from the given data? So if you find it, then we can easily find variance. Let's see here how to find that. Let's consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from equation 1, summation I equal to 1 to 9 xi minus 5 thus be equal to 9. Apply summation for these two terms, that is xi and minus 5. So that becomes summation from I equal to 1 to 9 xi minus summation I equal to 1 to 9 5 thus equal to 9. So here summation of 5 means, so whenever I equal to that is 5, whenever I equal to 2 that is 5 means 5 plus 5 plus 5 like that up to 9 it becomes 45. That is summation I equal to 1 to 9 xi equal to, so bring this term directly right hand side, that is 9 plus 45. So 5 will be added up to 9 times. So whenever I equal to 5, when I equal to 5 like that 5 plus 5 plus 5 up to 9 times it become 45. So bring this term directly to right hand side, it become plus 45. Here minus is there. So then it becomes summation of I equal to 1 to 9 xi equal to 54. So this is sum of x term value, that is x1 plus x2 up to x9. So it results 54. So from this data we can find mean value. Now mean square value, how can you find it? So from the second equation you can find mean square value. Let's see here how to find that. Here xi minus 5 whole square is there. So expand it. So it becomes summation of I equal to 1 to 9. So this is a minus b whole square formula. That is xi square plus 25, that is 5 square minus 2ab. 2 into 5, 10. 10 into xi. Thus be equal to given as 45. Here totally 3 terms are there, that is xi, 25 and 10 xi. Now apply summation for each term, then it becomes summation of I equal to 1 to 9 xi square plus summation from I equal to 1 to 9 for 25 minus summation I equal to 1 to 9, that is 10 into xi. Here bring 10 be outside, it is a constant value. So it becomes 10 into summation from I equal to 1 to 9 xi. So let's consider this is third equation. So from third equation, so this value is equal to 54. Now substitute here, it becomes summation I equal to 1 to 9 xi square plus 25 will be added for 9 times, that is 25 into 9 minus 10 into, so this will be equal to, from equation 3, that is 54. So that's be equal to 45. From this we'll get summation I equal to 1 to 9 xi square equal to, so bring these two terms to the right hand side. So it becomes 45 plus 25 into 9 minus 10 into 54, that is 540. So by simplifying this we will get 360. So let's consider this is fourth equation. Now substitute 3 and 4 in this equation, we will get variance. So from that we will get standard deviation. So that is here summation of I equal to 1 x square, nothing but from fourth equation. So that is 360 by 9 minus, and this value will be 54. So 54 by 9 whole square. So by simplifying this here, so 9 ones 9 4 36, that is 40, and here 9 ones 9 6, so that's be 40 minus 6 square, that is 36, that's equal to 4. So variance equal to 4. So root of variance, that is 4, nothing but 2. So standard deviation is 2. So this is the required answer for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.